morning, and a large thank you to you all for being here this evening and taking the time to be with us at Finca Son Mir. I'm personally very excited about the night ahead. On behalf of Sunshine Weddings, we are very proud to have been involved in such a fantastic competition to give away a free wedding here on the beautiful island of Mallorca. Tonight, we also share the announcement of the winner with the official inauguration of this newly designed building at the Finca, improving Son Mir to now be the island's #1 all year round wedding venue. Our congratulations to the team involved in making this happen, I believe in just 6 months. A special thank you to Fosh Catering and Finca Son Mir for your participation in this unique and amazing competition. Finally, the largest thank you for all the bridal couples who have placed their trust in us over the last 20 years and many more years to follow. The will contains the names of all of the entrants for this competition. Kevin, this is a big, big moment.
Here we go. There's a lot of names, eh?
There's a lot of names here.
Entries. Who's the lucky one?
Okay, congratulations to Howard Joshua Trick. Fantastic news. It's a free wedding at Son Mir. It's a free wedding with Fosh Catering. We have Joanna Walton doing the flowers. We have Tony Pons the celebrant. We have Epic Films supplying video and also photography. And Sunshine Weddings will of course be planning the wedding. Congratulations.